Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good at home. As you know, Pathania World Campus is going to organize a free vaccination camp on 17th of April, coming Saturday. So get vaccination from this camp and register yourself and protect yourself from COVID-19. Beta, encourage your grandparents as well as your relatives who are of age 45 and above of 45. Apart from this, we are going to do first chapter. Beta, this is your English reader book, Treasures of English. We are going to start the first chapter, the 4 doors. See, as the chapter name suggests, what do you mean by the 4 doors? The 4 doors which describes about the 4 kind of people that are around us. We meet different kind of people who has a different qualities. First kind of person quality is described by first door. See, these 3 doors are presented by a sage in this chapter. Sage means, what do you mean by sage? A man who is known for his wisdom. Or we can say a wise man is called sage. But what happened? One day a sage came to the king's court. He presented 3 doors in front of king and he asked the king, these 3 doors has a secret. You should tell me what secret these 3 doors has. Now the king called all his ministers in the court. In the court, all the ministers assembled there. Assembled means to get together in the court. The king asked from the ministers, please tell what message these 3 doors are conveying. You have 3 days. After 3 days, I will call you again and tell me the secret of these 3 doors. Then what happened after the 3 days? After 3 days, when all the ministers assembled in the court, only one minister named Jagannath, who was the wisest minister, only he was able to give the answer what secret these 3 doors has. The other minister, they were not able to give the answer. Is it clear? Then what happened? Jagannath told the king, Your Majesty means it's the way to address the king. Okay, beta? Your Majesty, these 3 doors, as you can see, these 3 doors has an ear in there and there is a hole also in their ear. So it has a secret. What secret does it have? Then the king asked. That wisest minister Jagannath gave a string to the king. String means, beta, it's a combination of threads that is used, that is called a string. A combination of threads that is put together, then it becomes a string. Then he gave a string to the king. He asked the king to put the string into the first door's ear. The king was very, very curious to know what is going to happen. Now, the king, as the minister said, the king put the string into the first door's ear. Then what happened? When he puts the string into the first door's ear, it comes out from the second ear. So, now the minister, now Jagannath told the secret. These first door describe the first kind of person which exists in our society. Means, whatever you tell to first kind of person, they never ever listen. They just listen from one ear and throws it out from the other ear. Who does not retain anything in their mind. Retain means to keep something. Who never ever keep anything in their mind. Who just listen from one ear and throws it out from the other ear. So these first will describe those first kind of person who exist in our society. Again, that minister Jagannath asked the king to repeat the process. Your Majesty, again put the string into the second door's ear. Now the king put the string into the second door's ear. Now what happened? That string comes out from the mouth when he enters the string into the second door's ear. So now the minister told the secret, the message what this tool is conveying. The second tool describes the second type of person who exists in our society. Means whatever secret we tell to the second type of person, they listen and they tell to anyone. Okay? Who tells to everybody. who doesn't keep anything in their mind, who does not retain anything. They have a stomach pain until they are not going to tell the secret to someone. Okay, so this is the second type of person who also exists in our society. This is the third kind of person which is described by the third dole. Now the minister Jagannath asked the king to repeat the process with the third dole, Your Majesty. Now the king again puts the string into the third dole's ear. What happened? Now that string does not come out from anywhere at all. It describes the third kind of person, means who locks up everything in their mind, who never ever tells to anyone. The secret, whatever you share with that third kind of person, they just locks it up within him. Okay. So now what happened? That minister Jagannath presented the fourth dole before the king. He told the king, this is the fourth dole which is made by me. Your Majesty, this dole is the combination of all these three doles. It means these four dole has the quality. The fourth dole has the quality of these three doles. Means the fourth dole describes the fourth kind of person who knows when not to listen. Not to listen means just listen from one ear and throws it out from the other ear. Who knows when to speak up, who knows when to remain silent. So it depends on the situation in our life. We should behave like the fourth dole. We should behave according to the situation. Sometimes we have not to listen the things, we have not even bother the things. Just listen from one ear and throws it out from the other ear. We should know according to situation when to speak up. Sometimes we have to speak up also. Sometimes we have to remain silent in our life also. Okay, beta? So, what is the crux of this story? What is the moral of the story? We should be like this fourth dole that describes the fourth kind of person who has the quality of all these three persons. So, according to situation, we should behave like. So, what you have to do, beta? You have to learn the marked word meaning, which I told you earlier also, and do multiple choice question in your book, and textual question answer, learn it and write it down in your fair notebook. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, beta. Bye-bye.
The 4 dolls. Your Majesty, I have 3 dolls with me. I would like your ministers to tell me what message these dolls convey. The king asks all his ministers to look at the dolls and find what message each doll conveys. This has to be done within 3 days. After 3 days, the ministers assemble. The same.
After 3 days, all the ministers assemble there. Assemble means they get together over there. For example, whenever we go to the assembly ground, we get assembled there now. Assemble means to get together. Now after
Age is
3 days,
also there, but only Jagannath is ready with the answer. These 3 dolls describe different kinds of people. You see, each doll has a hole in its ears. Jagannath hands the king a piece of string. Put this string into each doll's ear. Intrigued, the king puts the string into the first doll's ear. It comes out of the other ear. This is the first type of person. Whatever you tell him, her comes out of the other ear. She does not retain anything. The king now puts the string into the ear of the second doll. The string comes out of the mouth. This is the second type of person. Whatever you tell him, her, she tells everybody. The king now picks up the third doll and repeats the process. The string does not reappear from anywhere. This is the third type of person. Whatever you tell him, her, it is locked up within him, her. It never comes out. Jagannath then takes out a fourth doll. This is a doll I made myself. Your Majesty, put the string into the ear of this doll. The king puts the string into the fourth doll's ear. The string comes out of the other ear. Do it again. The king puts the string into the ear once again. It comes out from the mouth. Jagannath asks the king to repeat the process. The This time the string does not come out at all. This is the best type of person. To be a good person, one must know when not to listen, when to speak, and when to remain silent. The king is very pleased with Jagannath and appoints him as his prime minister. Chapter 1. The Poor Doctor.